Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about how to do for frames or iframes in our gauge in Taiko system. Okay, here we are going to discuss this particular one. Okay, frames is nothing but like a one HTML page having for another page. This is the kind of divisions will be there. A page can contain for another HTML page. Anything like in this particular place, they can able to build another web application. How many we want, we can able to do. Now here they are divided, but in such a cases like some real time, you may not see this kind of thing, whether it is a frame kind of thing, but here it is displaying. Okay, in real time you can't. How to identify means just right click on this and you can able to see there are two things. One is view frame source and reload the frame. Whenever you see this one, and that is called as a frame. Okay, and that you need to handle by using for switching and all, for selenium and playwright and all. And this here you can handle for direct also, and you can able to use for evaluate. There is a one more method called evaluate is there. By using that also you can able to build that. Okay, now I'll create for the spec tc06 frames dot a spec. Okay, and future, sorry, demo frames verifying frames. Now open iframe browser, and second I'm going to do enter value inside a frame text box. Okay, these are the two things. Okay, just I'm going to create the steps for this frame underscore step dot js file. Okay, and here we can do for oh, and then we can use for go to, and you can use for any URL also. Okay, and here we need to use for step opening for the browser, and I can use for this one, and then I can use for async function. Okay, await, go to, and then I'll use for this particular frame. Okay, first just we can able to checking purpose. I am going to write this one. We'll see for that as well another one. Okay, now as you know already, I just we are going to use for this particular name field. Okay, by using this particular name we can able to use for our code. Okay, just I'm going to use for write concept. Okay, and we need to import text box into everything. Okay, name, and here it is my name. Okay, and then we are going to wait for 1000 seconds to see whether it is enter or not. Okay, now I'm going to run my file. Okay, run specs slash, then I'll go ahead here my file. Okay, just I'm running whether we can able to enter into that particular browser or not. You can see highlighted and also it is rated. Okay, if you use for Java or Playwright or anything without switching into the frame, you cannot do entering, right? Nested frame also we can do that. Okay, but it is requires some logic. Okay, but instead of this, sometimes may not be work as expected. Example of I'm going to take this one and here is the frame, the single frame, but it is there one okay, here is the text field it is presented. Okay, just we can create a path input and then at the rate typo we'll use for single quotation 1 and 2, but it is be hidden place. Okay, another place it is not highlighting actually. Second, it is not coming. Still, it is coming like that only. Leave it, no issue. Okay, I will use this one and we can able to fill into the text box. Okay, if you use for the same, okay, I'll comment on this one and again I'll use for another one. Wait, go to my URL become this one. Okay, uh, sorry. Wait, wait, testing, comma, into text box and then I'm using for dollar and two braces I'm going to use for my path this one. Okay, I'll copy and paste it. Okay, now if I run this one it will not identify that particular path. Sorry, dollar mentioned. For wrapping the element purpose it is asking to check. We can use here as well. Text box, you can see text wrapping. The methods it will be presented HTML element wrapping. They can provide some of the locators here. You can see, right? Or you can able to use for uh, XPath you can use for this particular selector. See dollar you can able to use and you can able to provide the text inside that whether it will be exist or not also you can able to see. Okay, for highlighting purpose or anything. Nearby and text is exist or not. Instead of text box then we can okay. So it is write the text inside the frame, right? Even if you go for nested frame also you can able to enter into the text. Okay, It got passed, but still it is waiting. For nested frame, how to provide? We have to click this one and then we need to provide. Now again I'm going to use for this one. Which one? This I need to click and then I need to provide value, right? Then after waiting this particular time, I'm going to nested frame also I'm going to do. Okay. Now click, I'm providing inside the click, I'm providing this value to click. Okay. Then wait for, see, this is the easiest, right? Without any problem, we are going to providing. Okay. Now if I see same value, but same thing, I'll provide for again. Okay. Now again I'm running. Now focused and click. Now it is waiting a long. Why it is waiting long? It should click this one. Actually, it should click in middle. I interrupted. Now clicked. It is entered the value. Right? It is perfectly working even nested if else. Right? But I don't want to do some other way. How to do? This is the easiest way, which is never be happen because see, in any other programming language, if you want to handle the frame, you have to switch. You have to write. You need to find the frame whether it is exist or not. Here it is not required. You can directly easily to handle. I'll show you for one single frame how to handle for the coding for it, like evaluate. There is a method called evaluate. By using that, how you can able to implement your code. Okay, that we can see now. There is another way by using for JavaScript methods and all. Okay, by using JavaScript methods and all, we can able to use and we can able to evaluate the values and then we can do the sorry entering into the text box. That I'll show you the code wise. Okay, sometimes may require this particular format, sometimes may not be. But in this particular programming language, switching is not required. Okay, but directly you can able to enter the value. It will handle default. Okay, I'm going to take the evaluate function and we are going to do for the programming. Okay, how you can able to do constant. Then I'm going to take the frames. Okay, in these frames I'm going to use for document. I'm going to use for JavaScript function, which is browser we are using, right? That one, get element by tag name. Okay, get element by tag name. Basically which tag name it is there, we have to check. Okay, if you inspect this one, you can able to see this is the iframe. This is my tag. Okay, I'm going to read this particular tag first. Okay, once I read the tag, then I'm going to use for inside that if my frame dot length is greater than 0. Okay, then go to constant, that inner doc I'm going to read, where I'm reading frames 0 position. Okay, what I'm going to read, content document, or If it is available content document, I'm going to take. Otherwise, I'm going to use for frames zero position dot content window. Content window. Okay, dot document. This is the functionality it will return for the document. Okay, then from that I'm going to take the input. Input is basically a tag or something text box or which is the one we required. We required for inner doc dot query parameter. This is CSS selector format of data which we are created right above one. This one type and text that we are going to use it here. Okay, type is equal to single quotation text and closing the text box. This will take that and it will return that which is the value it is there that I'm going to take it. Okay, for that particular text like input box, if input box is presented, then I need to use for input dot focus because I'm going to do for focus. I'm going to focusing that particular text box. Okay, once I focus that one, I'm going to outside of that. Once it is written focus, right, then I'm going to use for my testing. Okay, then I'm going to use for wait for time with 1,000 seconds. Okay, now again I'm running this one. Now in this particular phase, like a single frame, not nested frame, is a single frame. See, the text is written. Okay, like this we can able to do. Okay, and nested frame also similar format we can do. There is another documentation and some requirement is there. Okay, additional documentation we have to add it. Then we can able to handle that as well. Okay, maybe you'll get the question. If directly and in why we required boss, then why need to do all this stuff? I'll directly use. Yes, you can able to use directly also. There is no problem for that. Okay. And in case if you need for nested frame, this is particular code under, let me know. I'll do that, or else you can able to find the way how to do it. In case if you are not able to do, comment on this video. Definitely I will provide you for the code. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.